How to fix Facebook page is not available right now error on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see some of the steps that will help you fix if you are seeing Facebook page is not available right now on your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to check if the page is deleted or unpublished. The page owner might have unpublished the page, deleted it, or restricted its visibility. So you have to ensure that the Facebook page is deleted or unpublished or not. And the second option is to clear your Facebook application cache. So for that, all you have to do is navigate to your application, tap and hold on it. Now head towards App Info. Once you land on App Info page here, scroll down and tap on Storage and Cache, and here tap on Clear Cache. After you do that, go back and check whether now your problem is solved or not. If that still does not help you, make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. So for that, open up Google Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for Facebook and make sure that the application is up to date. If you see update button, you have to tap on update. And once the update is complete, go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, check your network connection. You can switch from your Wi-Fi connection to your mobile data or vice versa. Or you can also try restarting your router or use a VPN as well. If that still does not help you, then try to relog in or reinstall the Facebook application. Simply log out of your Facebook account and then log in back. And if that still does not help you, uninstall the application and reinstall it from the Play Store and try to log in again. And if this still does not help you, you can report the problem to Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.